This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Isabella, crazy time again with 15x. I really wish. I hope we can get it from the top slot, you know, to hit it. I would love for it to happen. 15x on the coin flip though. Oh my, top slot, you're giving me something good right now. Okay, calm down. Come on. Hey, we hit it. We got a coin flip. 15x top slot. All right. Not a crazy time at 15x, but it will do. Okay. Red side up. Let's see. Oh, 15x on red, 2x on blue, times 15. 225x on red, 30x on blue. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I'm closing my eyes. It's the red. Oh my god. Let's go, guys. I even closed my eyes. 1,864 winners. Congratulations. QSS Tuna, Nice Key, WQ, and Straban, you're the top winners. Amazing. Hey, let's go, guys. Amazing.
Shady's back. The get that back. Tell the friends. Praise down with 4x from a top slot. He's not like him. I am she. How tall are you? How small I am. Also, they try to make me go to rehab and I say, let's go. 4x multiplier? They call me crazy. Ooh. That's way to start the session. Am I right? Well, dancing penguins, just dance. We have 4x multiplier, so let's add it up. And players, it is your decision time to choose a flapper for yourself. This is going to be great. I'm a fireball. Blue as the most chosen one, and also 400x the highest multiplier so far. Wish you well. We have a double for the most chosen team. So 60 double 60. Well, Blue, get prepared. $800x, the highest one. Wish you well. Our time to shine with another double. Who's the owner of the house right now with 1,600x, the highest one so far? Wish you well. Look at that. This is getting crazy. We have another double for Blue. Pressure, no pressure. 3,200x, the highest one so far as well. Good luck. $640x. 1,048 winners. And also going back to the wheel where 640x is the highest multiplier of the day, and also with our first round. Congratulations everyone. Congratulations everyone. Join the session. Place your bets right now. Ooh. Kate, we have a Kate as mod. You can ask any question.
We don't have a tug along for 60. Just use cute, or I don't know, nakakatuba. What about this? This means adorable, so it can mean sexy as well. I don't know. That's kind of nice way to say. Ooh, casual with a 25x tops it on top. We do, you dummy. It's true. It is spelled sexy. Oh, okay. I'm so dumb. Cash home, cash home, cash home. Yes. How many minutes left on your session? All minutes. And cash on with 25x stuff on top. My babies and ladies, are you ready? Let's win something enormous. Yeah, I like enormous things like this. All right, amazing, amazing, amazing. Oh, uploaders, woo! 25. Ooh la la, look at that. Still have highest multipliers, 2,500x. Let's do it. You're the best. Say it louder. Who's the best? All right, guys, feel free to get ready. It's time for your decisions, by the way, right now. Feel free to make your decisions. Do it carefully. Remember, there's 2,500x somewhere. I mean, a long time ago, I had such something big like that. Woo! All right, guys, let's reveal it. I have no idea where is 2,500x because there's too many numbers. But what I can say, you did a great job, and we have 1,388 winners. Wow, wow, wow. Now let me know in the chat how big is your multiplier, because I'm curious as F. All right, get ready. No! Woo! How about Mr. My good devil? I can't remember your new nickname.